Howdy y'all, Agape Love Automotive, and today we're talking about the cam and crank position sensor on your 6-liter. Whether your engine left the Indianapolis plant or the Huntsville, Alabama plant, this guy will very rarely, if ever, go bad on you. The original sensors seem to be the best when it comes to this. This sensor, on the other hand, will go out on you. When it does, buy the Ford version. Don't buy the parts store version. If you do, you're going to be on the side of the road replacing this again before you know it. Even with the 7.3, just don't do it. Buy the Ford part. It lives a lot longer than the parts store versions. The parts stores are just knockoffs, and they're missing parts that they need to have. It's just barely enough. It's not enough to make this thing work properly. So, spend the money at the Ford dealership and do it right the first time. In the meantime, God bless y'all. Have an awesome day.